Hello, this is my robot called the XAItron. I built it here at Robotics. This special model, however, is made by yours truly. It's called the Sea Ground. The way this robot works is that these are motors here, and this is where all the program is stored, but mainly in that little piece over there. This is for the ultrasonic sensors and motors, which connect underneath here. The way the ultrasonic sensors work is that, as the name suggests, it will shoot out a beam of sound, which will then hit an obstacle such as this. Then it will return back to it, and then do some math to determine the distance between it and the obstacle. If it's really close, such as this close, then it will move back and turn away. This one over here does the same thing, but instead of moving away if it's too close, it will move away if it's too far. This one instead will determine if it's about to fall off a ledge. But words can only say so much, so I might as well show it so you can have a better gist of it. This here's a power source, and it's connected to batteries. So if I plug it over here, it should then start working like this. As you may see, it will move away from all obstacles it faces. But if it's at a certain angle, then it will fail to notice and then fall down. And this is how the robot works.